Hi, everybody. Jeremy here from the Human IT Company. And today we're going to take a couple minutes and provide some quick instructions on two things. One, we're going to show you how to verify whether or not you're connected to OneDrive for Business. And we're also going to show you very quickly how to synchronize files using the OneDrive client, synchronize the files from Teams or SharePoint into Windows Explorer. This is a very straightforward process on both counts, so this shouldn't take too long. The first part that we're going to do is verify that OneDrive is actually set up properly. And the easy way to do that is to open the File Explorer application. File Explorer, in the left-hand navigation side, you should see your name and then your company name. This is how you know that you've got a connection to your OneDrive for Business account that's connected to your Office 365 work account. You may also see another item there that looks very similar, except it may say your name and then personal, or it may just say OneDrive personal. That's part of how you know the distinction about which one you're connected to. How do you know whether or not it's working? Well, in the main pane, you'll see a status column and you'll see a variety of icons underneath it. For example, this one has a syncing icon. This one has a synced icon, and these all have cloud icons. If the OneDrive client is not working properly, there will be nothing under the status column. This column will be completely blank. Another way to check to see if OneDrive is working and connected to the correct account is to go into your system tray, which is the area by the clock, and look for the OneDrive icon. When you click on it and then go Settings, you'll get a window that looks like this. And you can verify here the email address that OneDrive is connecting with. If your work account is not connected, you can simply add an account, sign in with your work email address and password, complete the multi-factor authentication if required, and then OneDrive is configured for your local machine. The second part of our video is going to cover how to synchronize files that are stored in Teams or in SharePoint. How do we synchronize them to the local computer? In this example, you can see here that I've already got some files synchronized. And we know this because it's got the full display name of the organization. It does not have my name and then the company. It just has the company. Also, if you look carefully, this icon is a little different than the OneDrive icon. In order to enable this synchronization, the process is very simple. In the Teams application, you go to your list of teams, go to the team and the channel that you want to synchronize. In the main display pane, click on Files, and it will display all the files and folders that are stored under this particular channel. After you've found the folder that you want to synchronize, there's a button here that says Sync. When you click on that button, you get a window that shows up like this. And if OneDrive is connected properly, the OneDrive window will flash briefly. After it has flashed briefly and then disappeared, you can close this message. And in coming back to the company list, we can now see that the demo folder is synchronized along with the content contained in it. These files and folders will synchronize over time, and every time your computer is online, changes that are made on your computer will upload to the cloud, or changes that are made by others will download to your computer. Concludes our instructions. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Human IT Company at ticketing@humanitcompany.ca or call our tech support line at 778-832-1274. Thanks for watching and have a great day.